Before you swipe away, I've got two words: artificial intelligence. I know I've been talking a lot about this, but why I'm insisting this again and again is just imagine a machine having brains, right? It's fascinating to see the machine do tasks, do coding, do math, do writing. It can do all sorts of things that just look so magical. But there's been one limitation always, and that's the language. And not everyone knows English, right? There's one part of the world that can hardly speak anything. Now, what Alibaba has come up with is a Chinese model that's bilingual. It could speak or converse in Chinese and in English. Now, this is a new territory. Yes, the model isn't so advanced as ChatGPT, cannot do so much, or it's just as limited as Ernie Bot. It can do some basic email. But if you are fascinated by this and want to know more, follow me. Thanks for watching. See you next one.